Hey guys, good evening and welcome to another vlog. So I just arrived, I met my friends, and yes, I just want to share to you that tonight it's October 29, 2021. It's my last night here in Thailand. And yes, I met my friends and I received gifts from them, and I'm going to do unboxing. I got three gifts from Claire, from Kersey, and from Dane, and I'm going to open it with you. So here are the gifts, and I'm going to open it. Let's bring it here. Here. Okay. Yeah, but I changed position. Okay, let's get started. So this one, I received it from Claire. And this one is from Kersey. And this one is from Dane. And yeah. Let's do unboxing. Yeah. Sorry, I think the camera is not straight. Oh, I don't want to open. Okay, let's start with Dane. They're so sweet. Yay! Ta-da! Thank you, Dane. Thank you so much. I'm not going to use it. Thank you, Dane. Next is Kersey's gift. I like the pouch. Oh. It's a candle. Scented. And it's a candle. It's a candle. And see what's written. It's Wedding Day Premium Fragrance Oil. So I'm going to use it once I get married, during my wedding, after honeymoon. What? Oh, and I see something. I got a letter. Ingat ka, I'm happy to know you. Keep in touch and wishing you all the best. Love you, girl. Kersey and JC. Thank you, Kersey and JC. You're so sweet. Ay, my friends are so sweet. And let's have Claire's gift. Let's open Claire's gift. Okay. She knows that I like this print, this design. She knows it very well. Besh, thank you. Yay. It's a dress. And she knows that I like dress also. Besh, thank you. Dane, Kersey, Luigi, and JC, thank you. Thank you so much. And thank you also for tonight's dinner. I had so much fun and it was very full. Thank you so much. I'm going to miss you and keep in touch. I'll see you in Philippines or here in Thailand again or somewhere here on earth. Ingat kayo palagi dito sa Thailand, and yeah, I'm hoping that we will meet soon. And then, one thing is that may pahabol. Nicole sent this one. Sinend niya talaga. Pinag-grab niya. Sinend niya dito sa airport. Because we were not able to meet and she was not able to join last night. And then, yes. She sent me this gift. Have a safe flight. Ate, we will miss you. From Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you. So, this gift, I actually received it in the airport yesterday. So, Nicole sent it to me, to the airport. I did not open it yet because I want to do unboxing same as what I did with my friend's gift during my last night with them. During the last night in Thailand. So, I'll do unboxing. So, let's see. I really feel that it's my birthday. I receive a lot of gifts. I also receive... Wait, later I'll be showing also to you another gift. For a while. I love you too. Yay! See guys! This is my favorite design. Oh! Yay! Thank you, Nicole! See! Can you see it? Can you see it? Yay. Can I try? I'll try for a while.
This is my good luck gift to Jane for another career na kanyang tatahakin soon. So, tatahakin ba? Tama ba yung term? Kasi magkakaroon siya ng panibagong career soon. So, ito yung aking good luck gift to her. Sana dalhin niya kahit saan siya mag-away. Like, for example, Germany. So, sana madala niya sa doon. Sana magustuhan niya. So, Jane, are you ready?
Ready? Thank you, ate.
You can open it. Yes.
Thank you, Teha. Excited.
Tingnan natin kung magustuhan ni Jane. Actually, nakita niya na yung portion nito.
Hello! Ate! Wow! Oh, ate!
Yan.
Ang ganda! Ayaw kong gamitin, i-design na lang. Wala, ang ganda.
Alam, bagay sa dress mo, Jane.
Alam mo talaga yung gusto ko, ate. Thank you, ate. Ayan siya. Gawa ni ate to, ha? Siya nag-paint.
Sa loob niya, meron niyang mga earrings ha.
Siya nag-paint niyan.
Hindi ko na ipasok dyan.
Ate, may ano ka pa talaga, may talent. Ito, gusto ko talaga matutulong ganito.
Yan. Meron pa yan kasi hindi ko na ipasok. Ayan. Meron yan siyang pahabol na hand cream and yung alcohol. Ayan.
Ay, meron pa.
Ayan. So, yan.
Ang regalo ni ate, Christmas sa Christmas.
Yan.
Parang birthday ka.
Tingnan mo kung ano yung mga laman niya. Ano?
Ang dami. Ate, andyan, nagbibigay.
Nag-serve.
Dami, Ah, sorry ha.
It's okay.
Nagbablog kami ah. Ay, ate. Ay, bet ko to. Bet ko to ate. Ang dami.
Neutral.
Ay, bet ko din to. Meron akong ganito, pero colorful siya. Oo. Pero nasa Pinas na pinadala ko. Ang dami.
Hindi ko sinusuot. Hindi naman ako gumagamit yung pinili ko lang. Tapos hindi ko naman
Walang ang dami.
Tama ka girl, talo tayo na may tutok-tutukon. Tingnan mo yung kanyang top.
Asa?
Bet ko to.
Yung naka-black.
Thank you ate.
Earrings ni Jamie.
Ang dami ko ng earrings.
So, malapit na sa ang suit. And syempre, ngayon is yung
Ayan pa.
despedida ni Jamie. And birthday celebration ni Jessa. Kasi daw, araw-araw siya mag-celebrate ng birthday niya. Hanggang sa
Birthday niya.
birthday niya na talaga. So, araw-araw siya magpapakain.
Ate, Sushana.
Walang ayoko.
Ayaw mo? Oo. Siyempre. Thank you
I-focus mo
ate.
nga sa cam kasi hindi ko lang pala nakunan yun.
Ito yung back.
Ayun, hindi ko pala yung nakunan na
Tapos, ito yung front.
yung picture. Mamaya suotin ni Mama.
Side dish. Ito yung back. Yung back part. Grabe effort. May effort si ate.